Well, hi, tubers and tubettes. It's the old dog coming at you again with yet another impromptu interview. May has a brand new friend named Regine, and Regine wanted to come over and hang out with May. And May was, I don't know what they were doing. They were out taking selfies and stuff like that. So May thought it would be a good idea that we introduce her new friend Regine to the YouTube world. So hi, say hi, Regine.
Hi.
Okay. And so, Regine, tell us a little bit about yourself. Tell us how old you are. Tell us where you're from. And just tell us a little bit about you so the world knows all about Regine.
Hi, I'm Regine, 20 years old, turning 21 this coming July. And I live in Cawitan, Santa Catalina, Negros Oriental, and I'm studying in Santa Catalina National High School.
Oh, okay. So you're in high school at the age of 20.
Yeah,
right?
Because I stopped 2 years.
Okay. Now tell us why you stopped, because I always find this interesting. And I respect this. I think I know the answer. I met you about 15 minutes ago.
Yeah.
But I think I know the answer. Why did you stop school?
Financial problem?
Financial problems.
Yeah.
And you're living with your parents, right?
No, when I was a kid, I'm not living with my parents.
Oh, okay. Tell us a little bit about your background, if you will.
I'm living with my grandparents until I become teenager. Then when my grandmother died, so I live in my parents.
I see. And if I can ask, why did you live with your grandparents as opposed to your parents?
I don't know about them.
You don't know about them?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we won't go there. So your grandparents, they live here in Negros Oriental.
Yes.
And how old were you until you stopped going to school?
I think 17 or to 19. I think it's my.
Till about you were 19 years old?
Yeah.
When you stopped going to school? Or 17 years old?
17.
17 years old. And that was simply because there wasn't enough money, right? Is that what I'm hearing?
Yeah.
And you were living with your grandparents?
Yes.
Right? Okay. And so what did you do after you stopped going to school? Did you need to go to work?
No, I didn't work because my parents against it.
They were against it?
Yeah.
Okay. And so when you were 17 until you were, say, 19 or 20, what did you do most of the time?
I go in Manila.
Oh, you went to Manila?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And what were you doing there?
Nothing. I'm just living with my sister.
Living with your sister?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because she's pregnant that time.
Okay. She's pregnant at that time?
Yep.
So basically, you went up to Manila to live with your sister. Apparently, there was some financial instability with your parents and grandparents.
Yeah.
And if I may say so, were you just the mouth that they couldn't feed? Was that kind of the case? What happened?
Because I don't know. We don't talk about it.
Okay. All right. I don't want to get too personal. But people find it interesting, the trials and the tribulations that people go through. So right now, you're back here. How long have you been back here in Dumaguete?
1 year already.
1 year, okay.
Yeah.
And are you still in school?
Yep.
Okay. And when will you graduate?
Cawitan National High School.
Okay. And what grade are you in?
Now I'm turning grade 12.
Grade 12?
Yep.
And are you able to go to school right now with the COVID thing?
Yes.
I
think.
Okay. And when you graduate, you'll get your diploma?
Yes.
Okay. And then do you have plans for the future, like what you want to do?
Yep. I want to be a tour guide someday.
A tour guide?
Yep.
Okay. So like in the hospitality industry. Now, what would you do as a tour guide? What made you want to be a tour guide? Would you meet people that came, say, to Dumaguete, and you would take them to this place, that place, show them a waterfall, show them... that's a good idea. In fact, there's a lot of guys that say, you know, I would like to know I would like someone to have a tour business. They've asked me if they come out here, if I'll haul them around town. I'm like, no. But you would be very useful because you have very good English skills. And
Thanks.
you're welcome. And you would be able to, someone new comes to town and maybe they're looking for the right hotel to check into. They want to know how to get to a certain waterfall,
Yeah.
or they want to go see the Japanese shrine, or they want to know where Apple Island is, or how to get on the ferry. You would be able to help them, right?
Yeah.
Is that
I
kind of
will.
what you're thinking?
Yes.
I think that's a great idea. What do you guys think? I don't know. So you're currently dating a foreigner, is that correct?
Yep.
And you're 20 years old, going to be 21 in July. And how old is your boyfriend?
57.
57. Now, are you comfortable with the age gap, with him being much older than you?
Yep. I
Okay.
am.
So I've been hearing that a lot. Do you prefer guys that are older than you, or do you prefer guys that are your age, or do you prefer to date a foreigner, or do you prefer to date a Filipino? What's your take on that?
I think foreigner.
Foreigner.
Yeah.
And what is it about foreigners that you like?
I don't know. I can't answer it.
Okay.
Sorry.
Now, how did you meet Baby May?
I meet her in, I don't know where is that place. We meet
Where'd she meet you at, Baby May?
With your boyfriend, right?
yeah, we meet with my boyfriend.
Oh, okay, because your boyfriend is my boyfriend, my boyfriend, my friend.
Yeah.
We don't want that out of the bag. So that's right. I did meet you once before. And so May invited you over today, and she did like a little beauty session with you, right? She did
Yep.
makeup with you.
Yes.
And you did some modeling with her, and she let you try on some of her bikinis and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Now, did you find that enjoyable? Was that fun?
Yep.
Have you ever done that before?
No, it's my first time.
It's your first time?
Yes.
And so May does that a lot. She likes to bring her girlfriends over, and you like selfies?
Yep. I really
Okay.
love it.
It's like the national hobby. So how long have you been together with my friend, the foreigner that's 57 years old? And we'll leave his name out of it.
We're new, maybe
How long?
1 week,
1 week.
I think.
Okay. And how's that going? You guys getting along good?
Yep. He's
Yeah.
a good guy.
He's a good guy. He is a good guy. He's a friend of mine. How did you guys meet? Did you meet on a dating app?
Yeah,
Did you
in a
meet on
dating app.
Facebook? Did
Date
you-
in Asia.
Date in Asia.
It's
Okay.
an app.
And did you talk to a lot of guys on Date in Asia before you talked to my friend?
No.
No. So you talked to my friend, and how long did you guys chat back and forth before you actually met?
A month.
A month.
Yep.
Okay. Now, was that because of the COVID virus that you guys couldn't meet one another?
I think so.
I think it was. I
Yeah.
think when I chatted with him before, he said he was talking to a young lady. I think he was referring to you, but you couldn't get together because nobody could go anywhere, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're enjoying your time with him. You guys are getting to know each other.
Yes.
And what else would you like to tell people about yourself, as far as your schooling, or as far as your background, or your time in Manila? What do you think would be something they would like to know about you? We'd like to know about you.
I'm studying in Humanities and Social Sciences.
Okay.
Yeah. I can't say anything. I'm too shy, gosh.
No, it's good. It's all good. The people watching understand that it's not easy to sit here
Yeah.
with a strange guy like me that you just met or just barely know and talk about your life. And I don't know you very well, so I tend to ask a lot of questions, and some of them are personal, and you don't want to go there,
Yeah.
and we fully respect that here on the channel. So what I like to do is convey to the guys watching and thinking about coming out to the Philippines, kind of get an idea of the type of young ladies or women that are available to meet. And so, when you started date, have you dated other guys before? I mean, is that too personal of a question? Have you dated a foreigner before this guy?
No.
First time.
Yep.
Okay.
It's my first time.
Have you had a boyfriend before, like a Filipino boyfriend?
Yeah, I have
Okay.
a Filipino boyfriend.
Okay. And did you have a long relationship with him, or was it short, or was it
Yeah.
long? Or?
1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
And was he the same age as you?
Yep.
Did he come from the same village or from the same town? Be
No.
a neighbor, or how did you meet him?
In Manila.
In Manila. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And you were up in Manila for how long?
8 months.
8 months. And basically you went up there because your sister was pregnant? Is that
Yeah.
what you said? Okay. How old is your sister?
23.
Is she half as pretty as you?
Yeah. It's much prettier.
I don't think so, because you're a very pretty girl.
Thanks.
Hey, May, you want to give her the prize, the first interview prize, the Miss America?
Yeah.
May's gonna give her the award here, because we always like to welcome our new guests. We love meeting new people. So here comes baby May, and we're gonna crown you.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Guys, I give to the makeup for Regine for practice, guys.
Yeah.
And then now I give the
Look at this.
look
Dun,
at
dun, dun, dun. It's official.
Welcome to the sexy, beautiful girl.
So May, what do you want to say?
Guys, I would like always say thank you so much for always subscribe my channel, guys. Subscribe.
Shameless self-promotion from May, non-stop. I absolutely love it. Sorry, May, go ahead.
Guys, please subscribe my cooking channel, Baby May's Cooking Adventure, guys. Please, guys, subscribe.
Okay, now would you like to say something about our guest now that you've done your commercial?
Yeah.
Huh? What do you think about this beautiful young lady? Huh?
Oh, she is very beautiful and
Yes.
then very sexy and very tiny, guys.
Uh-huh. And she's a nice girl too.
Yeah,
huh?
nice girls.
And you have a lot in common with her, right? I mean, you guys are kind of the same, because you went to Manila, May.
Yeah.
She's been to Manila.
Yeah.
I'm very proud of her that she had to quit school because of financial issues, but now she's back in school,
Yeah.
getting her degree.
Yeah.
And what do you think about her job as being a tour guide? Did you hear about that, May? She's thinking about being a tour guide, where in other words, when a guy comes to town and he's
okay.
new,
Yeah.
she could show him around town, help him with the language,
Yeah.
help him change money.
Yeah.
You know, there's so many challenges when you come into the Philippines.
Yes.
Like a guy like me,
Yeah.
oh boy, was I lost. Boy, could I have used her help.
Yeah.
Good for Regine for tour guide.
No, yeah, but you know, little things like how to get on a trike, how to negotiate what restaurants to go to, how to communicate with the locals, making sure the guy doesn't pay 100 pesos for something that costs 10 pesos, you know?
Yeah.
That's the kind of thing that I think is a benefit. And I'm really curious. I'd like to have you come back on the show sometime.
Yeah, sure.
And let us know, you know, how it's going with that once you get that going. And you've been with my friend now for a week, and you're happy. I know he's very happy with you. And I'd like to maybe get an update in the future. Would that be okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool. So I guess we'll sign off. We'll call that impromptu interview number 99 or whatever, because we never plan any of this. But it's always good to have Minnie Mouse show up unexpectedly. Has the chicken got anything going on back there? I think we lost the chicken. Everybody likes to see Gaylord the chicken. You get the whole Gaylord. All right, so from Minnie Mouse and Ed McMahon over there, shameless promoter of her channel, Baby May's Cooking and Adventure, and the old dog, we wish you adieu and have a good day, and we hope the COVID thing ends soon. Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.
See you later. Bye.